Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create mouse click open animation with sound effect on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I have just created a new project on Capcut. So I'm going to open up my project. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys how we can create mouse click open animation for our video. So here I have added background for my video, and then I'm going to add, for example, subscribe sticker to this project. I'm going to go to this sticker, and then I'm going to search for subscribe sticker. Okay, for instance, I'm going to add the subscribe button to my video like this guys, and then I'm going to add cursor as well. So I'm going to search for cursor. Okay, you just need to type in cursor, and then for the cursor I'm going to choose this one. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download a sticker. Okay guys, I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to add animation to the cursor. Okay, wait, I'm going to click on the check mark, and I'm going to make it align with my background. All right, and then to add animation to the cursor, we can use keyframe. So this is how the keyframe looks like, and we're going to use it. We can click on the cursor and then tap on the keyframe, and I'm going to move the cursor to the subscribe button like this, and let's see the animation. Okay, and I'm going to add click sound to my project. So I'm going to go to the sound effect, go to the sound effect right here, and then search for click sound or click mouse. Okay, wait guys, and for instance I'm going to select this one. Okay, and let's see the final result. All right, okay guys, and that's all the way to create mouse click open animation with a sound effect on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.